Right, we're going to be doing the first angle orthographic projection of this isometric view that I've got over here. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to select my front view, looking across over there, that view normally would show you the most detail about the object. That's normally how they're selected. Right, my next thing is to try and figure out what the length, the breadth, and the height is. To do that, what you're going to do is you're going to count these blocks. Now, when you're counting the blocks, I'd suggest very strongly that you make little dashes in between these blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 blocks over there. And you can then write that down as the length is equal to 14. I'm going to come to the breadth over here. Same story, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. There's my breadth equal to 7. You'll see over here that I drew a construction line in a yellow pencil going across there and a construction line going up over here. And from that, I'm able to figure out what the height is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks over there. So there's my 8 blocks as my height. And I can now decide that I'm going to be doing a first angle orthographic projection. What I need is a projection symbol. The projection symbol for first angle orthographic projection is this little symbol over here. It's a cone, all right? That is my front view of a cone. I stand on the left-hand side and I look across. What can I see on my left? I can see the small little circle followed by a big circle over there. Right, once I've got that in place, I then come along here and I start looking to draw my front view. I select right up at the top over here. I'm going to start my drawing over here and I'm going to count across the length. So it says 14 blocks going across. Let's just count that. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I'm going to draw a construction line coming down over here. All the way down there. And over here, a line that comes all the way down there. Right, I know that I need the length in my front view, but I'm also going to need that length in the top view. My front view is going to go over there, and my top view is going to go over there. Right, once I've got that in place, I then say, all right, the height of this thing was 8 blocks. So I count down 8 blocks. Let's just do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. And I can now draw in a construction line going across over there. And a construction line going across over there. Right, you'll see that I didn't just draw that. I continued those construction lines going across. The reason being is that in my left view over here, I'm going to need that same height. All right, once I've got that, I'm going to start with my front view over here, and you can see that I've got a line that goes all the way across at the base, so let me draw that in straight away. Line going all the way across at the base. It then goes up 2 blocks over there, and I have another line that goes all the way across, so let's draw that. Counting 1, 2 blocks up, and draw another line that goes all the way across. Right. I'll then also be able to draw in that line over there. That's this little piece of line over there. And behind that would be that, but you can't actually see it because you're looking at 90 degrees to this. Right. You'll see over here, it continues going 1, 2 blocks up. And then it continues all the way to the top. So I'm actually going to draw a line that goes the 1, 2 blocks up. And then I'm going to continue with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks going up there. So my 1, 2 blocks going up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. You can see how I've got all the way to the top there. I then count across over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 blocks going from there to there and 6 blocks going across there. If you're quite clever about this, you can take a 45-degree set square. And if I drew a construction line going across over here, you'll find that 6 blocks up there, 6 blocks across there, saves you having to count those blocks off. All right, there we go. I can draw a nice dark line going across there. I then count at the bottom over here. How many blocks do I go across? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks to there. So I count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks over there. And I can then draw in that slope going from there down to there. And that is the front view. I need to draw in the circle. Now, that circle over there is showing me the edge of a hole that is going right the way through this component. Right. I need to find the center of that. You can see that there are some center lines over here. So I need to find those center lines on my front view. I count over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks to get that center line over there. And 1, 2, 3 blocks down to get that center line over there. Count over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks over here. And I'm going to draw in the center lines. Nice long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Come 3 blocks down, 1, 2, 3 blocks down, and I draw long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. And after I've done that, I then say, all right, what is my radius over here? You can see that I've got a 1, 2 block radius over there from the center to the circumference of the circle. Set your pair of compasses to a 2 block radius over here, and you're going to draw in a circle going around like that. Please have a pair of compasses for your exams. You are definitely going to be drawing a circle in the exam. Right. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come down and I'm going to start with my top view. But before I do that, I want to put in one little piece of hidden detail. You'll see that there is a slot that is coming down over here. The slot at the top over here, it's 1 block down. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw in the hidden detail coming across. Just little dashes going all the way across over here. Right, there's my hidden detail, and you'll see it ends up over there. You're going to be able to see that in your top view as well. So let's start. I'm going to count 2 blocks away from this view over here, and I'm going to start my top view at that point. What is the breadth of this object? It says that it is 7 blocks. So I now count. There's my 7 blocks going across there. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. And I can draw in a line going all the way down over there. I'm going to have the same thing on this side. 7 blocks coming down over here. And I can then finish that off by drawing a nice line going across there. Right, once I've got that in place, I then need to have a look at drawing this shape over here. It is 1 block across and, well, the 9 blocks. I've already counted off those 9 blocks, so I can draw in a construction line coming down from there. And I can now draw in a line that goes all the way from the back over there to that construction line showing that point. You can see that it is 1, 2 blocks away from that edge, so I count 1, 2 blocks away from that edge, and I can draw another line that goes all the way across. And I can draw in that line over there, joining that up. And if I've done this accurately, I should find that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. You can see my 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks over there. Right. You can see also that there is this little piece of line over there and that little piece of line over there. That is that corner over there. So I take a construction line down into my view over here. And I'm going to be able to draw in that little piece of line. There we go. And that little piece of line over there. And you'll see that I've got lines that go all the way back over there, from there, and all the way back over there. But there's also this little slopey piece of line over there. We need to be able to draw that in onto this view. That little piece of slopey line, there it is. I need to take a line coming down from where that hidden detail is over there into my view. I'm just going to use this blue pencil. Take that down over there. Okay, you can see that construction line that I've got going down there. And I can now draw in a line that goes all the way across there and a line that goes all the way across there. You can see that little section of line sticking out over there is that little section of line sticking out there and over there. Right, there's the slot done. The next thing that we need to do is the hidden detail for that hole. That hole is going to go all the way through. I'm just going to draw in the center line first. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. And I now draw in the hidden detail, which is just small little dashes going across over there, and small little dashes going from the edge of that circle. It would start over there. Note it's underneath that little corner, so you don't have that, but there would be hidden detail just over here in that little portion over there. So you have hidden detail going from there all the way through there. You can't see the little bit of hidden detail because it's underneath that corner over there. Right, once you've done that, your drawing says that you've got this weird hole thing going through there. Check that links up with that corner over there. So I'm going to go one block out, starting at that point over there, and it goes 1, 2, 3 blocks across. So I can draw in 1, 2, 3 blocks over there. It then goes one block out and 1, 2, 3 going across. So one block out, 1, 2, 3. I've got that corner over there. I can draw that in quickly. There to there. It goes one block out and 1, 2, 3 over there. So one block out and 1, 2, 3 over there. And I can draw in a line going from there to there. And I can draw in a line going from there to there. Right, there is that top view completed. What I need to do now is to draw in the left view. Now to draw the left view, I'm going to take a 45-degree set square. I'm going to count out 1, 2 blocks over there and make a little mark. And I'll draw in a construction line over here. Okay, if you look at it, it would actually link up with that corner over there. And I can now take lines coming out, construction lines coming out from these corners to get the left view. All right, let's look at this idea. Taking a line coming out from here to my 45-degree line there, and a line coming out from that line over there to my 45. And I'm going to draw lines going up from where it touches that 45-degree line and from where it touches that 45-degree line. Right. If you count over here, you'll see that I've got exactly the same breadth over there. Let me just show you with this pair of compasses. Take that measurement over there. That measurement over there should be identical to that measurement over there. Note that. There it is, coming across and up. Right. Once I've got that in place, well, I know what the front of this thing is got, the left-hand view. I'm standing over here, I'm going to be able to see that edge over there at the bottom and at the top of that edge. There we go. I can draw in that very quickly. There it is. There it is. And I'll look and I say, all right, I can see, if I'm looking across at this, I'm going to be able to see a hole. Note the hidden detail that I've got going over here and the hidden detail going over there, showing that hole going through. Note that funny hole going through. I've got the hidden detail there. I'm going to need that hidden detail over here. Let's take that across into my view. Coming across from that corner, hits the 45-degree line there, goes up over here, and I have hidden detail over there. That corner over there, I'm going to take that across onto that 45-degree line there, and take that up, and I've got hidden detail over there. Note that corner over there, take it across to the 45-degree, take it up, and hidden detail over there. Note that little corner over there, take it across, take that up, and I've got hidden detail over there. Right, that's that part done. The next part that we need to look at is this part over here, which is that part over there. Let's take that across and up into this view over here. I'm going to take this across over here to the 45-degree line and take that up over there into my view over there. Take that across over there and take that up into the view over there. And I can draw a line which is going to come straight down from there and a line that's going to come straight down from there. Right, you can see that hidden detail going across there. Let's take that across into this view. There we go. So I've got a line over there and I've got that slot over there. So let's take that across into the view. Take that across from there. Take that across from there. Take that up into the view over here. And take that up into the view over there. I can now draw in a little line coming down over there, a little line coming down over there. Note how that links up with that line over there. I can draw in a line over there and finish off the top over there and over there. Right, the last thing that I need to do is to put in the hidden detail for that circle. It is a circular hole, so start out by drawing in the center line. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash. Okay, and I need the hidden detail coming from the edge of that circumference over there, coming across. It is a hole that goes all the way through. Hidden detail over there, and the circumference is over there, coming across. There'd be hidden detail just over there and over there. Right, that is that drawing completed. Remember, please do your name beautifully over here. Name and surname. Surname is most important. And whatever grade you are in, I'll put myself in grade X. Right, there we go.